Hi guys, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So as you can see, I am here without any makeup today because today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial. Well, not exactly a makeup tutorial because I'm not a beauty guru and I think I have very subpar skills of makeup. But it is like my version of this 5 minute no makeup look, which is very easy breezy to do and बहुत कम time लगता है, but then the end result is quite good. So I hope you'll enjoy it. And without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So first I'll quickly pull my hair back because it's very irritating when you're doing your makeup and your hair is all over your face. So yes, now let's start. Now the first product that I'll use is a concealer. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I am in the shade 10 light. So I'll quickly take some of it and apply it on my under eye, around my nose, on some acne scars I have, and then I'll blend it with a beauty blender. Also, I have this huge pimple right here. I don't know, whenever I think of filming a makeup video, मुझे हमेशा pimple जाता है. So we have this guest right here. Say hello to it. And now I'll just blend it, as I said, with a beauty blender. So I've recently learned this new technique of applying concealer. Just instead of applying it all over your under eye, you just put it on your inner corners and outer corner, and it creases less that way. So I recently learned it. Yes, I've applied concealer and I've blended it properly. And now the next step is to set this concealer with a powder. You can use a loose powder. Today I want to use this Wet n Wild का contouring palette, and इसका powder I really like. As you can see, I've hit the pan on it already. So I'll just take some of it in the blender, and then I'll apply it on areas where I put on the concealer. Now I have oily skin, so I can apply it all over my face too. But if you have dry skin, then stick to only the places where you have applied the base product. This will ensure that your concealer or your base product, जो कि बहुत creamy होते हैं, वो ज़्यादा crease ना हो और they don't settle into your fine lines. So always make sure you're putting any powder. Loose powder is the best, but मुझे ये Wet n Wild वाला powder भी काफी पसंद है. So you're always putting it after putting any base product. So now the next step is to apply blush. Now you can use any powder blush that you have, but I like to use my lipsticks as blushes quite often. I've told this so many times in my videos too. I'm a big stan of using one product in multiple ways. Now I normally go for powder blush too. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं powder blush नहीं लगाती हूँ, but today I just want to go with this lipstick. This one is Maybelline का Touch of Spice from the Creamy Matte range. So this is like a brown mauve kind of shade, and I've actually never tried this lipstick as a blush. I don't know how it will turn out, but I'm excited to use it. Let's see कैसा होता है. So normally I take it first of all on the back of my hand and then apply it. But ठीक है, जैसे करके देखते हैं. So this was a little difficult to ऐसे direct उसको blend करना. So I'll again take it ऐसे हाथ से ही and then I'll apply it because it's a little difficult to blend उसको direct यहाँ लगा के. And this way you have more control over the product actually. मतलब अगर आप direct लगा दोगे तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा लग जाता है. So this way you know कि आप थोड़ा सा ही product ले रहे हो and उसको लगा रहे हो. So well, I would say कि इस तरीके से ही use करना. Don't apply it directly. You can also use lip tints, lip and cheek tints जो आता है. I'm planning of ordering a couple of months. I saw Etude House का एक, वो काफी अच्छा लग रहा था. It had good reviews too. Now the next step, I won't use a bronzer. I don't like using bronzer हर दिन. मतलब कभी कभी चलता है, कभी कभी मन नहीं करता. So I'll definitely use a highlighter though. I love using highlighters, and I'll just take some of this highlighter. This is from Makeup Revolution. I have used this palette to the brink, I would say. इसका blush पूरा खत्म हो चुका है. इसका bronzer थोड़ा टूट भी चुका है, थोड़ा खत्म हो चुका है. I have dropped it a couple of times. And इसका highlighter I love the most, and I use this highlighter quite a lot actually. So I'll use my beauty blender to apply it. I normally apply this with the brush, but ठीक है, beauty blender से भी चल जाता है. So I'll take some of it and then I apply it like here and थोड़ा सा यहाँ ऊपर पर and on my nose especially. Oh shit. आई थिंक ये कुछ ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट आ गया। आई डोंट अप्लाई हाइलाइटर विद ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, तो शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया ना। द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर इसकी अगर कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स में एक्सेसिव भी हो जाता है, यू कैन जस्ट यूज इट, थोड़ा डैब डैब करो, इट विल टेक अवे द एक्सेसिव प्रोडक्ट एंड ये टोन डाउन कर देगा। So I'll just blend it a little, tone it down, and then I'll be right back. So I got a brush to apply it. Let's not experiment too much. And मैंने उसके ऊपर थोड़ा blush लगा दिया ताकि वो थोड़ा tone down हो जाए, and blush में थोड़ा कम लग ही रहा था. So this video is not going well. I think I am a wreck today. But ठीक है, now let's start over and I'll again take some of it in a brush, बहुत थोड़ा सा, and then I'll apply it थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे and I'll bring it like this थोड़ा circular motion में. So I need to pull myself together now. This video is not working well for me. So I hope you are still watching and आपने अभी तक बंद ही कर दिया है ये सोच के what the hell is this girl doing. Now the next step I'm gonna do is my brows. Brows are very important. अगर मैं कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करती, I will still apply a brow and a lipstick. That's the minimum makeup look for me. So I'll just fill my brows in. Also guys, I wanted to ask you whether you want me to do more makeup videos. I don't do a lot of makeup videos, you must have seen on my channel, because I don't think makeup videos gets a lot of views for me personally. Maybe you guys don't prefer watching it or anything. It's like I want you to go to the comment section. Please tell me whether you like watching makeup videos or not. अगर आपको पसंद होंगी तो I'll try to do them more often. And if you don't like them, then I'll obviously not do them anymore. Now I know I don't have the best skills. I'm still learning and I'm learning from my own. But I really enjoy the process of doing makeup. मुझे काफी मजा आता है. I think these kind of chit chat videos, you'll get to know me more through them. Maybe we can do a makeup plus Q&A kind of video sometimes too if you want. And अब मैं थोड़ा सा brows fill करने में ध्यान देती हूँ and I'll quickly do them and then I'll be back. So brows are done and look what a huge difference they make to your face. I'm always baffled every time I fill my brows and I see इतना difference आ चुका है. So yes, now after doing my brows, I'll take a little bit of the same highlighter and apply it on the brow bone. थोड़ा सा बस, मतलब very lightly. And yes, we are done with the brows. Now next I need to apply some kajal because I think it suits my skin tone and my face. So I take this brown kajal. I used to use black one earlier, but these days I've been using a lot of brown kajals because I think it looks more softer. So this one is from Lakme. It's the iconic in the shade classic brown. So I'll just apply it on my थोड़ा सा नीचे की ये lash line and then a little bit on this upper lash line, and then I'll show you the next step. Now I like to take a brush like this. ये बहुत छोटा सा बड़ी stubby सा round brush है and I use it to smudge my ये lower lash line का काजल. I like this effect. थोड़ा सा smoky look आता है and मतलब you just take some काजल and उसको smudge कर लो, but इससे look काफी अच्छा आ जाता है. I like to do a little bit ऐसा upwards to give my eyes थोड़ा सा lifted effect. Done this, थोड़ा सा smudge कर लिया है, especially on the outer corner of my eye. ज़्यादा अंदर वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. And now I think we left with just 2 more steps, and this one is mascara. Mascara is really important as it opens up your eye and काफी bright effect देता है आपके face को. So just take some mascara that you like to use. I'm using this one from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensational Mascara. And now the last step is lipstick. इससे पहले मैंने ये lip balm लगाया था Maybelline का, and now I'll top this with this lipstick. And even overline your lips if you want a little bit. थोड़ा सा आप ऊपर के lips को overline कर दो to give it a more fuller effect. So the lipstick is on, and I think we are done. Oh wait, no! How can I forget such an important step? So it's very important for me to take again some highlighter and apply it on the inner corners. That is such an important step in my makeup look. So I just take some of it, तो थोड़ा सा inner corner पे apply कर दो. It again gives you a very brightening effect आपकी eyes पे. So yes, this is the final makeup look and I think it looks so cute. It's very dewy, it's very glowy, and for everyday basis, for going out with your friends, for colleges, offices, I think इस type के looks काफी सही रहता है. You can obviously again customize it. You can put on a couple of more steps या फिर आप इसमें से कुछ steps remove कर देते हो. So yes, that's it. Now if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on this red button to subscribe subscribe and then click all the bell sign too. That's very important. This is my Instagram handle right here. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram and tell me in the comment section what did you think about this makeup look, whether you would like to try it or not, and if you try it, send me your pictures, मुझे tag करना. I would love to see them. And अगर और makeup videos चाहिए तो ज़रूर बताना comment section में. Or if you have any other video requests, then leave that also in the comment section. As always, I'll mention the links of everything I'm wearing in the description bar too. I always update the description, guys. Please check it out. आप हमेशा मुझसे questions करते हो ये कहाँ से लिया, वो कहाँ से लिया, like जो मैंने पहना हो. I always put it on the description bar. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Also, don't forget I upload a new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 AM. So Monday, Thursday channel पे ज़रूर आना. I would love to meet you. And now I have to go and film a haul video. वैसे काफ़ी exciting haul आने वाला है next इसके बाद. So stay tuned for that and subscribe कर लेना. And I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye.